putting the exhaust onto Ethan's BRZ.
Lockie's underneath
with
the
a special cameo. We've got Eminem here.
Eminem, Lockie.
It's currently 7:34 at night.
Yeah, it's really late. Look at it's dark out there, bro. We're working.
And Jasmine's sitting on the motorbike.
Got the monster. Fucking good.
It's not a sponsor, is it?
Nah, it's not a sponsor, but it looks sick. It's a nice bike. Oh, we're putting this exhaust in. We're just taking the rear diffuser off. This is the exhaust, and the rest of it over there. This is the car we're working on.
Yeah. Lucky snail trail. Get that in.
We'll get that in. There you go, boys.
His name's Slim Shady. Get it right. Marshall Mathers. Sorry.
See what's going on there.
Yeah, it's right.
You're the perfect height, Lockie. That's what my boss used to always say when I was bending down. He's like, Nathan, you're the perfect height. Ooh.
Yeah.
I got this side.
Go out Ethan's side.
Lift it up.
I've got it. Yeah. Go out Ethan's side.
Go my way.
Yeah, go down.
Go, I've got it.
No,
No,
let go. Nathan?
I'm holding on.
Let go, Nathan. Go out your side.
Yeah.
What a
Oh,
monstrosity.
it's hot. It's hot. Yeah.
It's not that hot.
What a monstrosity of a
Can
thing.
someone grab it?
Yeah, I'm coming.
If you
Hold on. Yeah.
No, you should do
Can I put it down?
do a comparison.
So we'll do a little. It's still recording, by the way. So we'll just. Yeah. That's the new one. That's the rear diffuser we took off. We're not probably not doing the whole thing today, like Lockie says, but that's the old one over there. And it's time to get this one on. So we've got the what is this called thing? What is this thing called? A drill.
3.8 drive,
3.8.
16 volt speaker.
Yeah, we've got that. I can't say that again, but I doubt I'll ever say that word again, Lockie, in my life.
Say
So,
it.
I've already forgotten. So.
Already forgotten.
Well, when's the C8 Corvette coming in? We wish, eh? We don't have that for a while. Look at you, boy. How's it going, little boy? Good boy. Good boy.